Hey guys, what's up? Toyota Wigo G 2024 model. Digital auto climate na yung aircon niya. Push start button, meron tayo ditong charger, 12 volt socket, 2 cup holders, automatic, and then malaking screen, tas medyo nakatilt siya sa driver's side. And meron na rin siyang combination of yan, analog, pero dito sa side na to ay somehow digital, yung mga odometer, time. And then of course meron din siyang traction control, and then power fold yung mga side mirrors, and then meron ditong kind of feel, plastic though, pero may ganyan touch, so it's really nice. Tapos of course yung hazard red button, tapos may indicator na mga doors na bukas, pero manual handbrake, may slot dito, tapos cup holders, yung seats okay din siya. Then ito malaki, kasya din sapatos, pero yon. Let's see. So meron dito mirror, meron ditong, I think siguro para to sa hands-free na audio. Tapos dito wala, of course. No handle sa driver side para sa mga passenger kompleto. Pero yun, it feels good dito sa Wigo G. So ayun guys. And then meron na rin siya dito kasamang dashcam to. So I'm not sure if kasama na siya by default. Ask natin mamaya sa mga one of the agents if kasama na to by default. Pero yan, yung Wigo. So, ayan, hindi siya ma-detect yung key. Pero ito, audio controls, hands-free. Tapos yan, automatic. It's really nice. Maluwag. So yun guys, power na rin yung pag-open. Tapos dito may lock and unlock. Tapos power na rin siya. And ayan, maluwag yung likod. Tapos it has this cover. May division, and then laki ng compartment guys. Tapos you have this string. It would be nice kung hindi siya ganun yung string lang, baka bigla maputol. Pero yan, donut. So yung extra tires, pero ang laki ng compartment. What's really nice about this is that meron siyang rear view camera guys, tapos may backup sensor. Imagine this is G model, hindi pa ito yung top of the line. And let's see at the bottom, pretty much basic stuff. Pero yan, maganda kasi dyan, merong rear view camera. So yan, that's the Wigo G. And of course, meron siyang third light dun sa rear. Hindi shark fin yung antenna. Pero it's nice overall. Let's see. The mags is rim 14. And then power fold. Tapos meron nandito yung indicator ng left and right. Of course, you have the fog lamps, DRL, daytime running light. LED na yung fog lamps natin. May DRL, daytime running light. And I think LED, yeah, LED na yung mga headlights niya. Couple of things here. So yeah, may lagay ng coins. Ito yung sa gas. Ayoko lang to. So para siyang, yung sa dati sa mga Jeep. So ito yung pagbukas ng hood. Let's see the hood. Ayun guys, so it's a 1.0 liter engine, 3-cylinder, tapos pretty much, pero may ABS, you got all the safety, andito yung starter, so map sensor, and then yeah, gan lang siya yung yung hood. It's easy to. Okay, so this is the back seat. Medyo mataas lang tong part na to kasi not sure why, pero front wheel drive to. Anyway, baka dahil nung sa muffler part, dyan usually nilalagay, then pa switch sa likod. So yan, dito tayo sa likod ng Wigo. Maluwag naman yung sa upuan, and sakto, I feel comfortable. Ang kagandahan din, parang ini-standard na ng Toyota yung sa side, may mga ganito pag driver side ka. Pero yun, seat belt, medyo mataas yung feeling para sa akin. So, but overall, okay naman yung fabric. Tapos, ang laki pa ng space dito sa likod if you want to put something na magaan lang. So, para reachable. So, yun. And yan, guys. Maluwag. Kanina umupo ka sa harap. Kita nyo naman maluwag din, guys. Alright, there you have it guys. This is your Toyota Wigo G variant, which starts at 729,000 Philippine pesos. It has 3 variant, and of course, this is your top of the line variant. So once again guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!